to look at what is new. And this is the hub. So everything is here, Zoom Hub. So my meeting today, Q&A, let's see what files are there. So I'm just doing a bit of a look around and a cleanup. Okay. Let's see. That's fine. Let's see, files related to this. Oh, I've got clips. Collect email addresses from guests and viewers. Enable for all clips. I'm going to dismiss from now. Transcript. And let's do export transcript. Statistics. Okay. And it's a whole video. Chapters. Okay, so this is something. Can star. Let's see here. Download this clip. It's over an hour. Let's try. Downloading a whole bunch of stuff. Looks like it might be downloading the whole thing, so we won't delete quite yet. My files. And I've been cleaning up. Okay, so I can, it's not giving me a option to, no, to just select everything. So I'm going to select my clips. Three years ago. I'm not sure if it will zip it or if it gives me the option to download, so I can move them all, duplicate. Does it give me the option to download? I have to open up every one separate, it looks like. That's the one I just was in. So I've got to go into every one. It's 3 minutes, and then download. So cleaning up.